Okay, what we're going to look at here is how we do the fuel consumption rates. Okay, so the first thing you need to have is the actual data for a fuel consumption thing. Okay, now I'm going to mess with your heads here, being good tradies. I'm going to look up a Great Wall fuel consumption. So if you just type in, whatever brand, fuel consumption, and the year. So I'm going to go for something fairly recent. So I've done 2022, Great Wall fuel consumption. Now I know it gives you that there, but let's actually go to car advice. Okay, if you click on that. Now, they give you an awful lot of stuff. Okay, you've got to actually scroll down through. Okay, it gives you the specifications, blah blah blah. Okay, here we go. Okay, so somewhere in it, it'll give you this. All right, so fuel consumption rate on the test, and it's diesel. You need that. Okay, you need the fact that it's diesel because you're going to figure out the how much it costs to actually use the fuel. So we're looking at 10.6 liters per 100k. Okay, and it's best if they're giving you two, go with the higher one. All right, so 10.6 liters per 100k. So this is how you deal with that. Well, first of all, you would need a screenshot of, give me a picture of the ute or the van or whatever it is, and a screenshot of the information. Then we go, righto, 10.6 liters. Okay, 10.6 liters for every 100 kilometers. All right, that's what the website told us. Let's say from your Excel document, looking at the itinerary, you know that the total distance let's call it, let's say 77.5 kilometers. Okay. Now you get that from your itinerary. You just add up the distance driven, and that's it. Okay. All right. So now we need to figure out how many liters it actually uses to do that day's driving. All right. So 10.6 for every 100 kilometers. So if I want to find out how much it is for 1 kilometer, I divide this one here by 100. Okay. It's dividing that by 100. It's 1.06 liters for 1 kilometer. Therefore, for 77.5 kilometers, I've got 0.106, and I'm going to multiply it by 77.5. Okay, and this is going to give me a number of liters. So let me just check that. All right, so you've got 0.106 times 77.5. So that says 8.22. Okay, so that's how many liters for the day. Okay, so that's using the fuel consumption rate. But then we need to go and research. I'm not going to do that right now. You can do that. Research diesel cost or diesel price. Okay, so let's say, and screenshots for all this stuff. Okay, so let's say it's $1.84 per litre. Okay, so therefore the cost of fuel for the day is $1.84 times 8.22. 8.22 times $1.84. So it's going to cost $15.12. All right. That's the sort of thing you need to do. But obviously, there's needs to be some research in there. There needs to be some screenshots. You need to find, just from the top here, you need to find the liters per 100K for your vehicle. Give me a picture of the vehicle as well. Okay. Tell me what it is. You know, it's a 2021 Colorado, whatever. Okay. And put it in there. Your total distance driven. That's just from your table. You divide that by 100 to get how many liters per 1 kilometer. Then multiply through by your kilometers to get the liters. That's how many liters it will use for the whole day. Then go and research the fuel price. Make sure you get it. If it's diesel, get diesel. If it's petrol, get petrol. Okay. Get the research fuel price. Again, give me a screenshot. Okay. $1.84 per liter. Then the cost of fuel for the day is that. Okay. Off you go.